Vertical milling machine. This machine is used to cut slots, grooves, contours, gears, cams. For example, the slot and the teeth on this part, after being turned concentric on the lathe, were brought over to the mill and set up on a fixture, and all the cutouts were done on it. So we have a cutting tool that's fixed to the spindle, and we have a quill that spindle's adjustable up and down. We have an XY table with a digital readout on it. We have a variable speed motor, a vise that we set at different angles. You can also take this whole head and pivot it on a complex angle. It has a power feed on it, and it has a coolant system to a feed.